Welcome, parents. Hi, I'm Paul Sedita. I am your son or daughter's AP Physics 1 teacher. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of some of the things that I do in this class. It might be a little bit different, as well as talk about the topics we're going to do this year and the eventual AP exam in May. So let me share my screen. And okay, so I've been doing this for quite a while now, especially here at Canandaigua. If you ever need to get a hold of me, you have my email. Of course, there's Brave Square or even Schoology. So basically, in this class, AP1, things have changed since last year. I know the heading says 4 major units, but it's actually now 3. Currently, we're in math and measurement skills, just reviewing basic math skills that students learned last year, the year before, that are going to be critical for this course, and some physics skills and lab skills. But the bulk of the year, pretty much through February, March, will be mechanics and energy. This is the baseline for all physics. So unlike a Regents course, where you learn all the different topics in physics, electricity, magnetism, waves, modern physics, as well as mechanics, that's done more at a superficial level. At the AP level, we focus on mechanics and energy and quite in depth. Also part of the AP1 curriculum is electrical circuits, but that will not be tested on the AP exam. That's a change from last year. So I will teach those units maybe a week before or just prior to the AP exam and for the weeks between the AP exam and the end of the school year. So that's very, very important that we still teach it. So when the students leave AP1, they will have a good sample of the key units in physics. They are welcome to and encouraged to take Physics 2 next year if they're a junior, or if they're in an IB diploma program. So the IB and AP are connected in this course. We are co-seating them. They will come back for a year or two to get the rest of the topics. The main thing that may be a little different in my classrooms, I do a flipping model. Okay, and this worked out very well last year, but I've done it for a few years now. So if you're not familiar with the flipping model, and I'll show you a video in a second, is almost all of the students' new learning will be done at home watching video tutorials that I've made similar to this, where they take notes as I go through them. So that takes about 15 to 20 minutes depending on the lesson. The idea is when they come to class the next day, I can answer questions, and then we start their homework in class where they get to practice in class. And I'm there to help them. They can work in small groups, such that if we do, let's say, 2 or 3 problems, hopefully they've gained confidence. They can determine what they understand or don't understand, get help, and then they can finish the rest at home. So if I click on this link, all right, I'll just take you to a sample video. This is on a YouTube channel. Sorry about the commercial.
They were put on hold by time.
Skip the ad.
Okay, so now that you got some background on error and uncertainty,
so this is Mr. Madden, who taught here a few years ago. He and I shared these. But essentially, you're hearing our disembodied voice. The students will have a note sheet in front of them that's identical to this. And as we talk through the lesson, they will fill out notes. They can stop as they like. They can have us talk at 1.5 speed if they want to move through it. The important thing is not only do they complete this each night before they come to class, that they also take, if you will, or jot down any questions that they may have that's not clear to them so that they can come to class the next day and ask me and get clarification. So to me, that's the most important aspect to being successful in this class is come prepared each day. All assignments will be found on Schoology in folders, much like last year. I'm going to ask that most assignments are uploaded to Schoology, and I'll talk to the students about that. And the other key besides coming in prepared is the work ethic. The students know that the course is generally pretty difficult, and it's a big step up from your sophomore and junior year. So one of the things I'm asking parents to help encourage students is it's okay to be uncomfortable with some of the material, and at least initially. Give it time, give the students a chance to work through things, even if it's not that night. It might take a few days before things start sinking in. And I've talked to students, they're not really used to that, not getting things right away. But in physics, they're going to find that. So for now, I think things are pretty smooth because we're doing review stuff. But in about a week, next week or thereafter, things are going to start ramping up. And it's really important that they not only stay on top of things, but they communicate to me so I can help them where needed. All right, so that's a real quick overview of the course. If you have any questions, by all means, please contact me. And I really look forward to a successful year. Thank you.